Do you ever feel like life is slipping through your fingers? Too many distractions, not enough control? It's overwhelming, right? But there's a way to change that. Stoicism isn't just an ancient philosophy, it's a powerful guide to mastering your emotions, staying calm, and focusing on what truly matters. Here's how you can recreate yourself like a Stoic in 2025. 1. Accept what you can't control. We waste so much energy worrying about things we can't change, other people's actions, the weather, or the past. Stop. Take a deep breath and ask yourself, is this in my control? If the answer is no, let it go. Shift your focus to what you can control. Your mind, your actions, your response. 2. Face discomfort. Let's be real. Growth doesn't come from staying comfortable. The Stoics believed that stepping outside your comfort zone makes you resilient. Take a cold shower, wake up earlier, or spend a day without your phone. These small acts of discipline will make you stronger, day by day. 3. Be present. Most of us are either stuck in the past or anxious about the future, but life is happening now. When stress takes over, pause and ask, what can I do in this moment? Focus on that one step, because the present is all we really have. 4. Journal daily. Every night, take a few minutes to reflect. Write down 2 things. What went well today? What could I improve? This habit is simple but powerful. It builds clarity and shows you how much you're growing. 5. Live with purpose. Ask yourself, who do I want to become? Let that vision guide every decision you make. Purpose gives you direction, even when life feels overwhelming. In 2025, don't just exist, master yourself. It starts with one step. Pick a principle, try it today, and watch how it transforms your life. So, which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments below.